Mysterious object captured near the Popocatepetl volcano. Luminous object flies over the Popocatepetl crater, some think it could be a UFO. A video was shared via Twitter showing a luminous object passing over the Popocatepetl volcano's crater. The video, 27 seconds long, shows the strange object passing very near the volcano at high speed. The images were taken on May 14 and have been disseminated via Twitter, causing astonishment and expectation. Some believe it could be a UFO, and remarks about earlier sightings have been made on social media. Popocatepetl is active, and the volcanic eruption marker is currently at phase 2, yellow given the outgassing of water and ash.